Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zanita. So I know y'all probably wondering, like, didn't we just see this video? Yes, you did. You saw me do my eyes using the OPV Beauty Rainbow Splash Palette. But I have another new product for you that I want to show off. So I have the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation. This is the 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation. And the shade that I have is Chestnut. Now, in the original formula, I normally do like chai, but I kind of saw a couple of reviews and people were saying that chai, the formula was a little different, which I figured it would be because it's a matte foundation. So I decided to go a shade lighter, just to be on the safe side, because I don't know, like, I learned from this guy in Sephora that you want, when it comes to matte foundations, you want to go a shade lighter because of how it dries. So that's what I'm going to do. So I am going to start by priming my face with the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas Primer. Now, I don't have the original Tatcha, but I have this one, and I've used it a couple of times, and so far, I like it. And it smells good. If you're one of those people that are not like into fragrances, then I wouldn't recommend this, but I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's kind of resembles the concealer. Oops, sorry about that. It resembles the concealer, but of course the concealer is, how many fluid ounces? 0.5 fluid ounces, 15 mLs, and the foundation is 30 mLs, 1 fluid ounce, so half of that. All right, let's shake it up first. All right, this is how it comes out. Looks a little orange. You know what? Let's compare it to the original formula. This is my original Too Faced foundation, shade Chai. So you can tell it get its use. Chai is definitely a little warmer. Have to keep that out to balance this out. I'm gonna take my sponge. I'm gonna blend this in. Yeah, I don't know about this shade. It looks orange to me. I'm gonna put a few more pumps. We're just gonna do two. I'll take the back of it. Normally I use my foundation brush. I'm not really big on blending out with sponges, but I want to try it. So the coverage is not full coverage. I think it's definitely like medium coverage, and you can probably build it. I don't really feel like I have anything on, but that could be because of the sponge. Could be soaking it up. Y'all, it looks orange to me. I might have to take this back and get a new shade. I actually got mine from Ulta, but I do know they have it at Sephora. Yo, I look real orangey, like maybe when it dry, it'll look better. And you do gotta work fast because it dries super duper I look like real orange, bro. I look orange. I don't know. Y'all tell me in the comment section. I look like I belong on Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory. Okay, so I am going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is Warm Sand, and apply. Maybe this will help. Concealer usually saves the day. I'm gonna take my fan to get this to dry now. So, got this trick from Big Sis Jackie. Face shape brush and just contour my face lightly. And this is a real subtle contour shade, real like cool tone. To set that, I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, shade Mahogany. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna take my MAC lip liner in Chestnut, line my lips. And I'm gonna take this lipstick from Juvia's Place. This is the Nude Peaches Velvety Matte Lipstick in the shade In Vogue. And it's like a real peachy matte lipstick. Ooh. It's so pretty. I don't know. I said I was just focusing on the face. But this is everything. Ooh, and it smells so good. I'm gonna take the lip gloss, the Juvia's Place Lip Reflect Gloss, and this is the shade Sis. What it do, sis? Alright, y'all, I know I'm all over the place. Oh, and it smells even better. But yeah, this will make a man want to kiss you. For all y'all that got husbands and boyfriends and fiancés, this will make them want to kiss you. I'm telling you. So I am going to blend all this out, set all this with good old MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Tan. I'm going to set this with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oh, and this smells delightful. And this is what it looks like up close. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna pop my lashes on and I will be back with my final thoughts. Yes, I know this looks like the last video that you saw, because if you are a subscriber, then I know that you saw it. But that's okay, because it's like a 2-for-1. I wanted to focus on one thing in that video and focus on one thing in this video. That's just how we doing. Okay, so this video focused on the Too Faced foundation. This is the matte version of their Born This Way 24-hour foundation. So I have the shade Chestnut, once again, like I said before, and At first it looked kind of orange, and the camera might be a little deceiving. I don't know, y'all tell me what y'all think. When I looked in it in my bathroom mirror and like dull lighting, it looked good. So hopefully in natural outdoor lighting it looks even better. So I think it worked out. But overall, like, I like the finish. You do have to move fast when blending this foundation out, of course, because of course it's matte, so it's going to dry fast. I just feel like maybe the formula changed a little bit, which is why I didn't get chai, because it looked really orange on some of the people I saw reviews on. So I got chestnut. I may go a shade lighter. I don't know. I feel like I can make this work. Y'all let me know below. But I like Too Faced, and I recommend going out and getting it. It does retail, I believe, for $39. I think that's how much I got it for. I can't remember. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So I like it. Of course, I'm not gonna do a 24-hour wear test with this. Like, who really keeping their makeup on for 24 hours? Like, y'all ain't washing y'all face out there. Like, why do they think people can wear that for 24 hours? But anyway, I digress. If you would like to see me do like a wear test on this foundation, like, please let me know, and I'll try to incorporate it into another video. I do have more videos coming for y'all real soon, so please make sure you stay tuned and locked in. Turn your notification bells on so you will know when I post. So until next time, deuces.